Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily Flow. It is so wonderful to have you here with us. I am Emma.
And I am Kevin. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining our family today.
Today, we have a very essential topic for travelers. We're going to learn everything about checking in at a hotel.
Yes, this is so important. Everyone needs a safe place to sleep when they travel.
But before we check in, Kevin, how are you doing today? You look a little bit tired.
Honestly, Emma, I am exhausted. We just flew to London in our last video. That flight was very long.
I understand. Traveling is tiring. Do you have jet lag?
Yes, big time. My body is confused about the time. I just want to find a soft bed and sleep.
Well, that is perfect because today we are going to find you that bed.
Thank goodness. I'm ready to relax.
So, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Okay, Emma, let's start the story.
Imagine we just arrived in a black London taxi. The taxi stops at the curb.
We get out. I stretch my legs. Ouch, my back.
We're standing in front of the hotel. It looks very fancy.
I see the big glass revolving doors. A man in a uniform steps forward.
That is the doorman. He is wearing a top hat.
He smiles and opens the door for us.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Royal London.
Thank you, sir. I walk inside. Wow.
Welcome to the lobby.
It is beautiful. It has marble floors. There is a giant crystal chandelier hanging from the ceiling.
And smell the air.
It smells like fresh flowers and expensive perfume.
We walk across the lobby to the long desk. This is the front desk or reception.
There's a receptionist there. She looks very professional.
I will be the receptionist. You are the guest.
Okay. I walk up to the desk. I try to look awake.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Royal London Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello. I would like to check in, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked online last week.
May I have your last name, please?
It is Jones, Kevin Jones.
Could you spell that for me?
Sure. Jones.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Let me find your booking in the system.
She types on the computer. Click, click, click. She frowns a little bit.
I apologize, Mr. Jones. I cannot find a booking under that name.
What? But I have the confirmation email.
Do you have the booking reference number?
Yes. Let me check my phone. It is #12345.
Let me try that number. Okay, I found it.
Phew. Is everything okay?
Yes, it was booked under your first name, Kevin, not Jones.
Oops. That was my mistake.
No problem at all. You are staying for 5 nights.
That is correct.
May I see your passport and the credit card you used for the booking?
Here is my passport, and here is my card.
Thank you.
Is it a quiet room? I really need to sleep.
I see you booked a standard single room facing the street.
Oh, no. Is the street noisy?
It can be a little busy in the morning with the buses.
Can I change it?
Let me check availability. Actually, Mr. Jones, I have some good news.
What news?
We have an upgrade available.
Wait, upgrade? What does that mean?
It means we give you a better room than the one you paid for.
Is it free?
Yes, it's a complimentary upgrade.
Wow, thank you very much. I love upgrades.
I can give you a deluxe room on a high floor. It has a city view and it's very quiet.
That sounds amazing.
Now I just need a card for incidentals.
Incidentals. We talked about this before. That's the security deposit, right?
Yes, just in case you order room service, break a lamp, or steal the bathrobe.
I promise I won't steal anything.
Thank you. I'll just put a hold of 50 pounds.
No problem. You can use the same card.
Please sign the registration form here.
I sign my name.
Here are your key cards. You are in room 705. That's on the 7th floor.
Thank you.
Here's a map of the hotel. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is a full hot buffet.
Yummy. Does it have eggs and pancakes?
Yes, eggs, pancakes, sausages, pastries, and fruit.
I will be there at 7 sharp.
The Wi-Fi password is Royal Guest, and the elevators are to your right.
Do you have someone to help with my heavy bags?
Yes, the bellboy will bring them up to your room shortly.
Thank you very much.
Great job, Kevin. You are officially checked in.
That was smooth. Now I want to go to my room.
We walk to the elevators.
I press the button, the doors open, we get inside.
I see the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 10.
I press button number 7, but nothing happens. The button doesn't light up.
Kevin, you forgot the security step.
What? Is the elevator broken?
No, in modern hotels, you have to tap your key card on the black sensor first.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why?
It stops strangers from going to the guest floors. It is for your safety.
Ah, smart. Beep. Now I press 7. We are moving.
We arrive at the 7th floor. We walk down the long hallway.
It is very quiet. The carpet is soft. Room 705. Here it is.
You tap the card on the door lock. Click. Green light.
I push the door open. It is dark inside.
Put your key card in the slot on the wall by the door.
Why?
To turn on the electricity, it saves energy.
Click. Wow. Let there be light.
Look at this room, Kevin.
It is fancy. Look at the bed.
It is a king-size bed. It is huge.
I could sleep like a starfish.
And look at the view. You can see the London Eye.
And look at the amenities.
The free stuff.
Small shampoo, soap, lotion, and there's a coffee machine.
And look in the closet.
A fluffy white bathrobe and slippers.
Remember, Kevin, you can use the bathrobe, but do not take it home.
Okay, I will leave the robe.
Suddenly, there is a knock at the door. Knock, knock.
It is the bellboy with my bag. I open the door.
He brings the bag inside. He puts it on the luggage rack.
He smiles. He is waiting.
He is waiting for a tip.
Right. It is polite.
Here is £5. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful stay. He leaves.
Now, Kevin, imagine you have a problem.
What problem?
You want to charge your phone, but look at the plug on the wall.
It looks weird. It has 3 square holes.
That is a British outlet.
But I have an American plug. It doesn't fit.
Oh no, your phone is dead. What do you do?
I panic.
No, you need an adapter.
Do I have to buy one?
Maybe the hotel has one. Call the front desk.
I pick up the room phone. Ring, ring.
Front desk, how can I help you?
Hello, this is Kevin in room 705.
Yes, Mr. Jones.
I have a problem. I cannot charge my phone. Do you have a power adapter?
Certainly, sir. We have loaner adapters for guests. I can send one up.
That would be a lifesaver. Thank you.
Is there anything else?
Actually, yes. Since my phone is dead, can you give me a wake-up call?
Wake-up call. That is when the hotel calls you to wake you up.
Yes. Please call me at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Certainly. 8 a.m. wake-up call is set.
Thank you. Good night.
See, hotels are very helpful.
5 minutes later, housekeeping brings the adapter. I charge my phone.
You take a shower with the fancy soap. You get into the king bed.
It is so soft. Good night, Emma.
Fast forward. It is the next morning. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Good morning, Mr. Jones. This is your 8 a.m. wake-up call. The temperature is 15 degrees and it is sunny.
Thank you. I'm up.
You go downstairs to breakfast.
I see the buffet. It smells like bacon and coffee.
You eat a big breakfast. You save a lot of money because it's free.
It was delicious. Now I'm ready to explore London.
But wait, imagine it is 5 days later. The vacation is over.
Oh no, I'm sad again. I have to go home.
We have to check out.
Okay, I packed my bags. I checked the safe.
Did you leave your passport?
No, I have it.
Did you leave your charger?
No, I have it.
We go down to the lobby.
I go to the front desk.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. Are you checking out?
Yes, sadly, I'm checking out.
How was your stay?
It was excellent. The room was very quiet.
I'm happy to hear that. Did you use the minibar?
No, I saw the prices. They are too expensive.
Okay, let me print your final bill.
She hands me the paper. I check it carefully.
Always check the bill, Kevin.
Wait a minute. Emma, look here.
What is it?
It says laundry service, 20 pounds.
Did you send your clothes to be washed?
No, I washed my socks in the sink.
Oh, that is a mistake. You must tell her.
Excuse me, there's an error on my bill.
Oh, what is wrong?
I did not use the laundry service, but there is a charge here.
Let me check. Oh, I am so sorry. It seems it was charged to the wrong room. I will remove that immediately.
Thank you.
Okay, the new total is correct. Would you like to use the card on file?
Yes, please.
Payment is successful. I have released your security deposit.
Great.
Do you need a taxi to the airport?
No, I'm not going to the airport yet.
Oh?
I want to go sightseeing first. Can I store my bags here?
Yes, of course. The bellboy will take your bags to the luggage room.
Thank you.
Here is your claim ticket. Do not lose it.
I will put it in my wallet.
Wow, Kevin, you did it. You checked in, got an upgrade, solved a problem, and fixed the bill.
I feel very confident now.
Let's quickly review the vocabulary for our listeners.
Good idea.
Reservation,
A booking.
upgrade,
Getting a better room for free.
incidentals,
The deposit money for damages.
amenities,
Free things like soap and Wi-Fi.
adapter,
The plug to charge your phone in a different country.
wake-up call,
When the hotel calls to wake you up.
check out.
Paying and leaving the hotel.
Perfect. You are a hotel expert now.
Now, Emma, I am ready to go out. My bags are stored.
Where are you going?
I want to see Big Ben and the London Eye. I want to take photos.
Do you know how to get there?
No, I actually have no idea. London is big. I get lost very easily.
Then you need our next lesson.
What is it?
Our next video will be asking for directions and sightseeing.
Yes, I need that. I don't want to get lost in London.
We will help you find your way.
But first, question of the day.
We want to hear from you. What is the most important thing for you in a hotel room?
Is it a soft bed?
Is it a good view?
Is it a big bathtub?
Or maybe a low price?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching English Daily Flow.
Please like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe to join our family.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.